Welcome. If you're tired of random people tagging you on Instagram and want to take full control of your mentions, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to prevent anyone from tagging you on Instagram using your PC, based on the newest update. This is a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll have your privacy settings locked down just the way you want them. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your PC. If you're using the web version, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on that to expand your options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open up a new window with all your account preferences. Scroll down until you find the section called Tags and Mentions. Click to enter this section, where you can manage who is allowed to tag or mention you in posts and comments. Now, focus on the option that says Who can tag you. This is where you get to decide who's allowed to tag your username in their content. You'll see several choices, but if you want to completely block all tags, select Don't Allow Mentions. This setting ensures that nobody, whether they follow you or not, can tag you in any posts, comments, or stories. Once you've made your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. You can exit the settings and continue browsing Instagram, knowing that your account is now protected from unwanted tags and mentions. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your Instagram privacy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your favorite social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.